Testing, 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 testing. All right, what's up, guys? We're back with another break video. It is Saturday, and we wanted to break this Mega Box Illusions exclusive right here. Here's the box, guys. This is the Illusions Mega Box. It has 6 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. And we have the packs right here. I have half of the packs. We opened half of the other already. So let's start with the first pack. Let's see what we get. All right. We have Eric Bledsoe, Milwaukee Bucks. Next is we have Josh Jackson from the Memphis Grizzlies. Is that Og Anunoby? Og Anunoby of the Raptors. Well, we got a Russell Westbrook. And our last break video, we had a Starlight parallel of Russell Westbrook. So that's pretty cool. Next, KZ Okpala from the Miami Heat rookie card. And we got another Bobo rookie card. Alright, first set is done. Sorry, first pack. First pack is done. Next pack. Pack number 2. Alright. Pack number 2, guys. Oh, we got Ben Simmons. 76ers. Thaddeus Young, Chicago. Ooh, what's this, guys? Season highlights card of Miles Bridges from the Hornets. Number 14. Lonnie Walker. Spurs card. Kobe White rookie card. And we have another Cam Reddish rookie card. So this second pack was pretty cool. We got some cool cards in this one. Ben Simmons. Pack number 3. Pack number 3 from the Mega Box Illusions. We have Draymond Green, Donovan Mitchell, Mitchell Robinson. Oh, yes. We got Luka Doncic. Very nice. We got Kai Bowman. And last card, Jalen Nowell. All right, so we're off to the fourth pack. We got one more to go. And if you guys enjoy our break videos, stay tuned for more and make sure to subscribe. We're going to be doing some exclusive break giveaways. We'll be announcing that soon. Pack number 4. We have Miles Bridges from the Hornets. Oh, we got Jason Tatum. Jason Tatum. This mega box has some good cards, guys. So we got Jason Tatum. Goga Bitadze. Our last break video, he came in several packs that we opened up. Malik Beasley from the Wolves. Oh, we got another one. Rui Hachimura rookie card. Rui Hachimura. And we got Kevin Porter Jr. from the Cavs rookie card. So this is the 4th pack. Alright guys, last pack, the 5th and final pack of the mega box. We had already opened up the other half earlier, so we're doing the second half here in this break video for you guys. Alright. Last pack. Oh, we got the Joker, Nikola Jokic. He played very well against the Lakers, but they didn't win. But good player. Be on the lookout for him. We have Jake Layman of the Wolves. Jake Layman of the Wolves. Career lineage card of Tracy McGrady. That's pretty cool. Zach LaVine, Chicago Bulls. Bradley Beal. We got a Bradley Beal card. And the last card again. Goga Bitadze. This guy's making a lot of appearances in our break videos. So yeah, out of this one from this pack, the Joker's card was the one that stood out, and the career lineage card of T-Mac. Okay, so here's the highlights from our break. Here's Kai Bowman, Rui Hachimura's rookie card. We got Jason Tatum's card. Cam Reddish rookie card. Kobe White rookie card. We got Luka. And we have Miles Bridges, career, season highlights. We got a Starlight parallel of Ricky Rubio. We got RJ Barrett instant impact card. We got this Illusions Mystique Kemba Walker card. Kendrick Nunn's rookie card. Living Legends card, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And we have here Ja Morant's Hometown Heroes card. Of course, you guys seen Joker, T-Max career highlight lineage. Draymond Green. So yeah, guys, that concludes our break video for the Mega Box Illusions. And these are the cards that you just saw earlier. And we showed you the other first half of packs that we opened up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.